Were you trying to steal my chicken? Shame on you trying to steal my chicken. Were you trying to steal my chicken? No. You sit. You were stealing my chicken? Oh, it's a bad doggy stole my chicken. You need to ask nicely, Prentice. You need... Hey, a little quieter, nicely. Ask nice. Ask nice. Chicken. Okay. You stay. You stay. Would you like a piece of chicken? Would you like a piece of chicken? Nice. Nice. Good girl. Gentle. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Good girl. You want to have some more chicken? Oh, yes. Chicken, that's the magic word. Trying to steal my chicken. You have to ask nicely. Okay.
You can even make it yourself.
Nice. Good girl. You have to ask nicely. You can't be rude. You don't steal chicken.
And here's the problem.
You don't steal chicken.
Make your own sandwich, Matt.
Sit. Good girl. Good girl, sit. Good girl. Good girl. Are you going to be a good girl now? You going to let me eat my own chicken? Are you going to let me eat my chicken? Okay. You get down. Sit. Good girl, sit. Good girls. Okay, that deserves one more piece of chicken. Because you're being so good. Gentle. Good girl. You're so vicious. You're vicious. Vicious little dog. Yes, you are vicious. Good girl, Prentice.